Hello, I'm Rasha, owner of Peridot makeup artist and hairstylist. I always had an interest in makeup since I was little. I remember as a young teenager I used to read my mom's beauty magazines. Back then there was no internet, and I used to read anything to do with beauty and makeup. It really intrigued me how one can enhance their own features. When my sister got engaged in 1995, she asked me to do her makeup simply because I had an interest in it, and I was quite comfortable doing my own makeup. So I did that, and as a result people asked at the engagement, "Oh, who did your makeup?" And they asked, "Oh, do you mind doing my makeup for this event?" and so on. And 2 years later she got married, so I got to do her makeup for the wedding. So that was my first bridal makeup experience. Now, of course, I wasn't qualified, so I was completely self-taught at the time. And I got more demand, and I didn't charge people because I was self-taught, and I used their own products. I didn't have my own kit or anything like that, so I was doing it as a favor. And then demand became a little bit ridiculous, so I thought, maybe there's a business opportunity for me, because I had actually studied business administration at university, so I thought that's a perfect way to get into it. So I did a course at the Delamar Academy of Beauty and Makeup in London. Yeah, I qualified and started charging people. First up is I have a conversation with the client, because it's very important to have an understanding of their personality. And my philosophy is that makeup should complement one's personality and not contradict with it. So at the end of the day, you are putting color on your face, you are enhancing your own features. So you really have to be comfortable with the makeup that you're wearing. The thing that makes you most proud of doing things like makeup artistry is the compliments you get from customers. There's nothing better than the customer saying, "Oh my God, I could never imagine myself looking like that. That's amazing." Also, another thing that made me really proud of my business is that 2 of my brides were actually featured in the same wedding magazine. The wedding magazine contacted me and saying that was the first time we had the same makeup artist featured doing 2 brides' makeup, and they interviewed me as a result. Yeah. For bookings, visit my website at peridotmakeup.com.au and follow me on Instagram at peridot_makeup.